MBA profile building. And why is it important? See, we need to understand that these scores just are not after your percentile. सिर्फ उन्हें 99 plus percentile से मतलब नहीं है. They look after various parameters. And what are the parameters? It can be your academics. स्कूल में कितने मार्क्स थे, कॉलेज में कितने मार्क्स थे, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स है या नहीं है, वर्क एक्सपीरियंस अगर है तो वेल एंड गुड, और अगर नहीं है तो कितनी इंटर्नशिप्स की है, जनरल अवेयरनेस कितनी है, और अपनी अपस्किलिंग के लिए आपने क्या क्या किया है, और साथ ही साथ सर्टिफिकेशंस क्या है. सो दे लुक आफ्टर अ होलिस्टिक प्रोफाइल, and for that you need to build your profile. How? Well, in this video we will be addressing that. Now इस वीडियो को डिवाइड किया है 2 सेगमेंट्स में, those who are in their gap year and those who are attempting for this exam for the first time, यानी कि third year students in their graduation course. तो चलिए let's begin. Now for gap year students, the foremost thing is to gain relevant certifications. How? For example, finance is what you're interested in. Then you can go after courses like CFA, FRM, investment banking courses. And if you're into marketing, then digital marketing, social media strategy, SEO. If operations is what you're after, then supply chain management, Six Sigma. And अगर data और tech से related है, then Power BI, SQL, AI, ML basics and so on and so forth. Now कहाँ से ये courses आप access कर सकते हैं? Well, various platforms like Coursera, Udemy, edX. Now there are also IIMs जो अपने खुद के online courses भी provide करते हैं. So go and do the courses. One more thing that you can do is add work experience, even if it is unpaid. Go for freelancing projects or do internships. Join any NGO or go after CSR projects. This will cater to your social responsibility and will showcase your leadership roles. One another thing that you can do is write blogs, work on research projects, and ensure you're getting a way in which you are being recognized on big platforms, maybe LinkedIn. And very crucial thing is if you can side hustle of your own. See, entrepreneurship skill is a big plus. So even if it's a minor project, go for it. Now for the college going students, make the most of your college life. Join clubs, committees, take part in fest, cultural events and hop onto leadership roles. Also ensure you are taking part in sports and extracurricular activities. Now after all, these schools want well-rounded candidates and not just bookworms. You can also gain practical experience during college. How? By doing short-term internships. You can also start with a freelance project or start something of your own. Maybe writing your own blog or starting a LinkedIn page where you can share your business insights or work on projects simultaneously like maybe content writing, SEO or finance analytics. Now this one thing is common for all, whether आप gap year है या college going student है, general awareness पूछी जाती है, so ensure you are up to date with whatever is happening around the world. तो newspaper reading का बहुत important role है, जैसे हिंदू, Economic Times, Wire, इन सबको अपना best friend बना लो. Then comes following business platforms to get in touch with all that is happening in the economy like Money Control, Forbes, INC 42 and HBR. Now another thing that you can do is to engage in discussions. How? By joining various platforms that are available, also getting involved in LI community, that is LinkedIn community. So concluding, it is very important to build your profile. अगर एक strong profile है, it already sets you apart from top scorers. Also diverse, अगर आपके पास exposure है तो companies are already in lookout for the same. With these diverse experiences, you are already more confident than the others. So I hope this video was helpful, and for more such videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.